Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the Pump Ethereum or the Pump ETH on your Trust wallet. So first of all, one thing you're going to need to note is that this token is under the ownership of a smart contract, which is renowned for changing, disabling, and minting new tokens without any prior notice. So please exercise caution when you're investing in these assets. And now the site we're using to view the contract address for this particular token is the coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. And once you simply log on to coinmarketcap.com and scroll down using our link, you're going to scroll down till you get to the About Pump where you find its contract address. You simply click on copy. And once you've copied, you minimize, open up your Trust wallet. Make sure you've got BNB for Smart Chain transactions and also BEP20 tokens in case you need to swap. Simply click on your browser, scroll till you find the exchange for PancakeSwap. Click on PancakeSwap and simply change the network from Ethereum to BNB Smart Chain. Once you've done that, the next step would be definitely clicking on any token you'd like to swap out in place of the new one. So let's go with this BUSD. You simply enter the contract address we just copied for the Pump Ethereum. Click on import, click on I understand, and click on import again. One thing you need to note is that this coin can be changed at any point in time, the value, the amount, and the rest. So please do your research. The next step is going to be simply clicking on any of these tokens and swapping it out. So let's go with EGC, Evergrow, and click on this, click on Max, and enable the Evergrow coin. Click on Confirm. The slippage tolerance is currently set to 19%. You can take it up or you can take it down. Let's go with 26.0. A small contract call pulls out for 0.73. You simply click on Approve. And then simply add the P Ethereum to your wallet. Click on OK. Close PancakeSwap. Do a little bit of a reload. Okay, here it is, Pump Ethereum. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can buy the Pump Ethereum on Trust Wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.